So we're now going to look at how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a line. Now remember, all a bisector means is it cuts the line in half, and perpendicular means it does it at right angles to that line. So here's our line, AB, and we want to construct a perpendicular bisector of it. Now all we need to remember to do here, pencil and compass together. Now when it comes to swinging the arcs we need to construct this perpendicular bisector, the only thing you must remember is to open your compass out more than halfway on this line. So you'll be able to judge it. This is evidently over halfway on this line. And I swing first of all an arc with my point on one end of the line. Don't change your compass. Point now on A and do exactly the same. Swing yourself an arc like so with the compass point on the point A. Now you see where those two arcs have crossed, that is where our perpendicular bisector lies. And we want to show that as a line, remember? So we take our ruler, we're going to join the two points where the arcs cross with a straight line like so. And you can see that this straight line cuts this line in half and also does it at a right angle, so we know it's a perpendicular bisector.